Hi. Uh, Now we are going to discuss one of the problem which appeared in 1990 IIT JEE. So the problem statement goes like this: we have a carpet which is placed on the floor, and it is given very negligible initial push such that it keeps unrolling. Now the problem statement is we need to find the velocity of the axis of the carpet and the radius reaches r by 2. The initial radius is r, the final radius is r by 2, and the mass of the carpet is m. So we need to find what is the velocity of the axis. So the solution is very simple. So what we need to consider is, it is very simple. Like, first we'll consider the datum as the floor. So here what we will see is the initial mass is m. So what we are going to do is we'll consider the carpet as a system. So we know that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So the initial energy possessed by this carpet is mgr, that is height of the center of gravity of this carpet from the floor, which we have considered as a datum. And the final at the point where the radius reaches r by 2, the energy possessed by the carpet will be mass. So the mass will be here, mass, suppose let us consider the mass as m g r by 2 is the potential energy plus half mv square kinetic energy plus half I omega square. So since there is no external work done on this system, the internal energy at this point and at this point should be same. So these two will equate, and this is the equation from which we can find the velocity v. And one more condition, we know that since this is a pure rolling, it is under pure rolling condition, v is equals to r by 2 omega. So this we know, this we can substitute here and we can find. So first let us find the mass. Mass is proportional to area.
Daddy.
M by pi r square into pi r square by 4. So mass is m by 4. So we got the expression for m. Now we have to get the expression for I. Moment of inertia is mr square. So that is mr square by 16. Right? So now it is very simple. We just have to substitute these values here in this equation and get the expression for v. So let me cross check once. Moment of inertia is m by 4 r by 2 whole square. Okay. So we will substitute all the values here first. Small m is m by 4 g r by 2 plus half m by 4 v square plus half I. Omega is 2v by r. So 4 v square by r square. So m gets cancelled throughout. So we have to again write one more time. Gr equals to gr by 8 plus v square by 8 plus again v square by 8. So this implies v square by 4 equals to 7gr by 8. So now we got the expression for v as 7gr by 2.